Look what we've got today. We've got some amazing strawberries that we've just washed up for you. But I want to talk about something. What do we do when the strawberries themselves are less than ideal? Let's just say they're a little bitter. Or perhaps they're just a little bit past where you want them to be. I'm going to show you a couple things that we do with our
First and foremost, you've got to take the green stems off the top of these. Let's add those strawberries to a shallow saucepan. And in with those strawberries, we're going to put about 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. You can use any type of sweetener that you like. We're going to put this on a high heat for just a couple of minutes, and you'll hear the strawberries start to sizzle a bit and those sugars start to melt down. And when they do, we're going to come in with a tool similar to this. If you don't have one of these, you could use a potato masher or a fork and knife. And we're going to break those strawberries up just a little bit so they'll cook down. What we're making here is a beautiful strawberry compote or a syrup type strawberry that we could use then multiple ways. We could put this over some yogurt, it'd be delicious. Or we could, as we're going to do today, make a strawberry syrup and put it over some strawberry pancakes. We'll be back as this starts to cook down to show you the next phase. You can certainly hear them sizzling. You can see this sugar starting to boil a little bit around the edges. So we're going to start giving this just a little bit of help along the way by mashing down some of these strawberries. And I'm just going to press. As you can see, I've given these a little bit of help along the way. We're going to let these cook down for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to turn off the heat and let them thicken up. We'll show you final product in just a few.